Okay, in a previous video I showed you guys how to record with Google Meet, and so that's what I've been doing the last couple of days, and I'm posting the videos in Classroom for the students so they can watch them later. And so what I do is I go to Classroom, I made a category or a topic specifically for recordings. But then I also started adding the students' assignments for that day to the recording assignment group, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure what you should call it. So I'll just call it a demo. And then I go into and add the video. So here's the video. And then I'll add the assignments that happened during class as well. And sometimes it might be 2 or 3 parts of the assignment that needed different documents or different Google items. So let me put the other one in here real quick. Not as quick as I thought. Whatever, I'll just put this one in for purposes of learning. And so then they have all this, and I can set it so that the kids can view it, they can edit it, or they can each have their own copy. It just depends on whatever. So this is just a demo. And over here I'm going to put it into the category. It'll be class daily recordings. And then I can assign it. So then later they can go in, and when they click on it for that day, of course I like to put the date first, the period, and then the name of the class and the topic that was for that lesson. And then so now when they click on that, they have the video, and then they have the assignments that went with it, so they can at least understand what's going on when they watch the video. So I thought this was kind of fun. I also, part 2 of this, I want to share that I learned how to actually live stream your class, so you can broadcast it live while it's recording and while you're using Meet. Of course, recordings is for after the fact, but if you have a student who's home and they want to watch class while you're sitting there, it is possible to open a Google Meet and actually have them participate through audio and video, so you can have them up on the screen so the other students can see them too. I haven't opted for that yet, but another option is to set up a live stream so they can at least watch, and you can allow parents to watch too. I have my camera set up so that the students aren't visible on the camera, so the kids in the classroom aren't seen. You can hear the audio from them talking and from me talking, but you just see my screen. But the best way to do that is to go into your calendar, and then whatever day you're going to start it. So I'm going to set up a new one just for 3 o'clock. I'll call it demo again. And then you're going to add a Google Meet. And then you're going to click this drop-down arrow. And of course, you set the time you want it to start at, and then you actually physically start it. It just pops up for you to click within Google Meet. And I'll show you that in a second. Click the drop-down arrow, and then add live stream. And that produces a link that you can copy and share. And then when you've set this all up, you just click Save. Once I copy that link, I go back into Google Classroom, and I post it for whichever period it will be in. But I just post it in the stream quickly. So you can see here's first period stream from this morning. I'm not sure if they can get to recording from clicking this, but I just paste the link in there, and I just say live stream during class time. And then I post it. I'll delete this later. I just wanted you to see how it works. And then let me go into Google Meet. Okay, so if you open up Google Meet from your Waffle, click here for here's Meet. So you click that, and then this opens up, and then this will have a list of the items or the meets that you have scheduled. So then you'll click on it when it's time to start. Then you click join, And we're a couple hours early on this one, but you can still click join and you can go ahead and start it on the spot. Sorry, that's a little weird watching me talk like that. You'll actually see my face. So start stream, and that makes the classroom live as well, or the Meet. And then you come over here, like I've shown you before, and you can start recording and do that. So you've got the link posted in your classroom. If you have your parents join Classroom, they can also tune in. But that's basically how it goes. And I think that covers everything. But if you have any questions, let me know. I know Miss Bryant is also doing some awesome things with Google Meet. She was instructing her class the other day through Google Meet while everybody was there. But anyway, if you have any questions, let me know.